Okay, so I am here with another crucial issue or a crucial topic, that is an artificial intelligence. Its merits, demerits, we can say its pros and cons, or the advantages and disadvantages will be discussed in this sample. And I think that the first page is not that much clearly visible, as these are the handwritten notes. So I will be reading that one, and then the rest of the pages are okay. These are clearly visible. So I am starting artificial intelligence with its definition. So artificial intelligence, also called machine intelligence, is in fact a scientific field that uses computers to store data and responds to robotics or machines for certain commands based on the stored data. So this is a technical definition for artificial intelligence, and you can also use it, wrote it in your own words. Artificial intelligence has resounding merits in the field of medicines, economic growth, climate change, transportation, industrial engineering. So these are the merits, or we can say the pros or the advantages of the artificial intelligence. Then we have demerits, or the disadvantages or cons, and that it can overpower the human beings. Artificial intelligence can be used for criminal activities such as exploitation of information, money laundering, terror financing, and loss of jobs. So these are the concerns, are the apprehensions for the human beings, that in the near future artificial intelligence can overpower us, and this can be considered, and it is a major threat that artificial intelligence can overpower the human beings and their jobs as well. So what is artificial intelligence? So I have already given the definition in the introduction. Why? How has artificial intelligence modernized today's world? Is artificial intelligence a threat to the survival of human race? So these 3 or 4 points we will be discussing in the intro part of our sample. Then we will start with the merits of the artificial intelligence, like the upgradation in the field of medicine. These are the subtopics: preventing heart attacks or the personalized health monitoring. Then in the field of economy, it can also augment or boost the economic development of the world, and then reducing the impacts of climate change, transforming the transportation industry, like the self-driving vehicle in the near future, then the traffic management through the installed cameras with the help of artificial intelligence, then increasing yield of agriculture products using agricultural robots, and then exploiting the crop and soil management. Then we have utilization of artificial intelligence in space monitoring, a crucial and important dimension. Then it was advancement in small businesses, and then evolution in the entertainment industry. So these are the pros, we can say, are the advantages, are the merits of artificial intelligence. Then we have demerits, are the disadvantages, or we can say the cons, which are the fears, or we can say the concerns of the human beings. So the first one is the invasion of privacy and exploitation of information. Then we have loss of certain jobs, fear of overpowering human beings, creation of built-in biased algorithms, and then we have accelerated hacking and terrorism. So these are, we can say, the cons or the disadvantages of artificial intelligence. Then we will be writing our conclusion. So I have given some materials from various sources, like I have studied the domestic and international magazines and various journals, and we can say the research papers, particularly from where I gathered this data. So by watching this 5 to 10 minutes video, you can collect and you can grasp all these information at once. So it will help you a lot, definitely. The first one is, you can give reference, like the Stephen Hawking, while saying intelligence is the ability to adapt to change, might have artificial intelligence in mind, and the account of its pervasive intrusion in every human field, so much that the fears are emerging that it may take up human jobs, rendering as useless for good. So this is the statement of artificial intelligence of Stephen Hawking. So you can use this statement in your writing sample. Then we have, in a journal published by European Parliament, a censure forecast that by 2035, artificial intelligence could double the annual global economic growth rates. So you can use this point for the augmenting the economy. It is a pro, or we can say the advantage of artificial intelligence. This is the statistics of a relevant institution, a well-reputed institution. Then it is a complete paragraph, and we can say it is a sample of writing an effective paragraph regarding the impact of artificial intelligence and the climate change. So we can write it like this. Moreover, artificial intelligence has also proved beneficial for decreasing the impacts of climate change much better than before. For example, recently it has helped in the detection of deforestation through satellite imagery and aerial imagery, including gathering of data about where buildings and infrastructure used to stand in the past. So we can collect this data with the help of artificial intelligence. Such a move is essential in policy making to deal with climate change issues. Now, researchers from the Montreal Institute for Learning Algorithms, Microsoft's and Conscient Artificial Intelligence Labs used GAN. It is a type of artificial intelligence to stimulate what homes are likely to look like after facing damages from rising the sea level. It is an impact of climate change and then violent storm. Likewise, Carbon Tracker is an independent financial think tank that is working toward the United Nations goals of preventing the operationalization of new coal plants. By monitoring coal plant emission with satellite imagery, Carbon Tracker is able to use the data it gathers to convince the finance industry and carbon plants that carbon plants these are unprofitable. This is such a great assistance from artificial intelligence, and its robust use in the future may help in reducing risk involved with fast climate change. So this is, we can say it is a sample. That is why I have written the complete paragraph for a sample. You will be writing the 20 to 25 paragraphs like this with data, statistics, cogent analysis, and logical argumentation. Then point number 4, it is a Forbes, it is an American business magazine, finds that United States logistics are embracing autonomous trucks very fast to reap the benefits of artificial intelligence in the field. So you can use these points or these statistics in the transportation industry, which is the advantage of artificial intelligence. According to McKinsey report, 65% of the global goods transportation happened through trucks, and with autonomous trucks emerging on the scene, maintenance and administration expenses are likely to plummet to 45%. So it is also an advantage of the artificial intelligence. Then point number 5, a Berlin-based agricultural technical startup, PEAT. So this point you can use in the enhancement of technological revolution with the help of artificial intelligence. It has developed a deep learning application, Plantex, that reportedly identifies potential defects and nutrient deficiencies in the soil with the help of artificial intelligence. Analysis of the soil and its efficiency is conducted through software algorithms which correlated particular foliage pattern with certain soil defects, plant pests, and diseases to reduce data used for soil treatment to increase the cultivability and yield per acre. It means that artificial intelligence is going to bring an agricultural revolution. So these data are statistics you can use in the point that I have given in the outlines. Now these 2 points you can use and demerits, or we can say the disadvantages of the artificial intelligence that I have mentioned at the beginning in the outlines. Firstly, artificial intelligence poses a serious challenge through invasion of human privacy and exploitation of the information gathered about individuals. Artificial investigations are still put to work out the fault of Cambridge Analytica, which used the information from 50 million Facebook users to impact the results of the 2016 United States presidential election. So these are, you can say, the disadvantages of the cons of artificial intelligence, because it can invent, it can, we can say, invasion, it can bring in an invasion in our privacy, and it can misuse or exploit the information of human beings. So this is a disadvantage. Cambridge Analytica, which used information from 50 million Facebook users, which impact the result of 2016 presidential election. The case of the United Kingdom Brexit would also, you can say, illustrate artificial intelligence power for social manipulation through the social media and through the misuse of information. And the last point is that according to artificial intelligence researchers, machines are predicted to be better than us in translating languages by 2024, writing high school essays by 2026, driving truck by 2027, then working in retail shops by 2031, writing a best-selling book by 2049, and doing a surgery by 53. So these are the evidences which can show that artificial intelligence can overpower the human being and the nature and near future. So these are the concerns, are the apprehensions in the minds of the human beings regarding the artificial intelligence. So I have discussed here the pros and the cons and its future prospects. And I have also given the test data, statistics and analysis, logical argumentation from various sources. So by watching this video, you can gather a lot of information at once. So it is highly recommended, and you can also share your own opinions regarding the same topic. Thank you.